October 14th, Chinese pro brand Vivo released its latest annual flagship series, the Vivo X200. The Vivo X200 series includes three models, the X200, the X200 Pro, and X200 Pro Mini, each equipped with top-notch cameras developed in partnership with Zeiss and powerful MediaTek Dimensity 9400 processors. The Vivo X200 Pro is available in blue, white, black, and titanium. So here's our detailed impressions for the X200 Pro. It features an equal-depth, 4-curve flat-screen design with a frosted AG glass back. The rear camera module includes a triple camera setup with Zeiss T coating on the lenses to enhance anti-glare capabilities. It's equipped with a 6.78-inch curved OLED display featuring a resolution of 2800 by 1260 and supporting an adaptive refresh rate ranging from 1 to 120 Hz. The device measures 162.36 mm in height and 75.95 mm in width, and thickness and weight vary slightly depending on the color. The blue, titanium, and white versions are 8.49 mm thick and weigh 228 grams, while the black version is 8.20 mm thick and weighs 223 grams. For users who hold their phones for extended periods, these weights may lead to some fatigue. Notably, the rear camera protrudes from the phone body, which some users may feel makes it uncomfortable to hold. While this design improves the camera's image quality, it compromises on comfort and is especially noticeable during mobile gaming. If you prefer a comfortable grip, it's recommended to use a phone case to reduce this discomfort and also protect the camera. For its imaging system, the Vivo X200 Pro is the first to feature the jointly developed LYT-A18 large CMOS sensor by Vivo and Sony, which combines with Vivo's own algorithm to enhance the detailed processing capabilities of the phone's image. The X200 Pro is equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset, which is the world's first second-gen 3Nm all-large core chip. In gaming tests with high-load mobile games like Genshin Impact, the phone maintained an average frame rate nearly 60 frames per second, with no frame drops, stuttering, or automatic brightness reduction issues. The device features a 6000 mAh battery that easily meets daily usage needs. The X200 Pro is priced between $745 to $956, depending on the storage configuration. In conclusion, the Vivo X200 Pro is an ideal option for photography enthusiasts. While its protruding camera module design and slightly heavier weight may pose comfort challenges, the advanced camera features justify its premium price, positioning it as a strong contender in the flagship smartphone market. Here are the pros: distinctive design, high-quality display, impressive camera system with a 200-megapixel telephoto lens, powerful gaming performance, and long battery life and fast charging. As for the cons, protruding camera module may cause discomfort, not a lightweight choice, and some camera flare concerns.